Does Webull charge fees? Webull is widely known for its low-cost trading platform, but despite offering zero commission trading, some lesser-known fees apply. Webull doesn't charge commission fees on trades for stocks, ETFs, or options, making it appealing to budget-conscious and beginner investors alike. Additionally, Webull offers margin accounts, charging interest on borrowed funds, with rates ranging from 8.24% to 9.24%, depending on the loan balance. Compared to many competitors, these rates are somewhat high, though Webull's straightforward fee structure for trades is attractive for many users, especially those prioritizing low-cost trading. Webull operates on a zero-commission model, generating revenue through payment for order flow, PFOF. PFOF means Webull routes users' trade orders through third parties who pay Webull for this routing service, potentially leading to slight discrepancies in trade execution prices. Despite this, Webull has achieved a net price improvement of $0.05 per share in certain transaction sizes, though it falls short of the advanced order routing technology of more professional platforms like interactive brokers. For traders making large or frequent transactions, the PFOF model may result in small yet notable costs, as Webull does not offer the kind of price optimization that some competitors provide. One cost to keep in mind is Webull's wire transfer fees. Incoming wire transfers incur an $8 fee, and outgoing wire transfers are charged $25 per transaction, making them costly compared to free ACH transfers, which are often favored for funding accounts. Webull also charges $5 for returned ACH transfers due to insufficient funds, a fee that can catch users by surprise. Additionally, the platform does not support automatic cash sweeps into higher-yield money market accounts, so idle cash stays in the brokerage account. Webull users who want their cash to grow passively can access a separate cash management account offering a competitive 5% APY, although it has restrictions like not supporting joint accounts and limiting cash deposit methods. In terms of usability, Webull has attracted praise for its intuitive mobile app, which offers real-time market data, customizable alerts, and a streamlined user experience. Its limitations lie in more advanced trading features. Webull lacks order types like trailing stop orders and advanced option strategies. While the platform includes a simple stock screener and some charting tools, serious traders may find Webull's tools insufficient for in-depth analysis and portfolio management. While many users find the lack of hidden fees refreshing, high-frequency traders or advanced users may miss features available on more sophisticated platforms. Prospective users may appreciate the benefits of Webull's basic, user-friendly approach, especially given the lack of maintenance or inactivity fees. Webull has no monthly fees or minimum deposit requirements, which appeals to new investors, and offers FDIC insurance on cash management accounts up to $1 million by partnering with various banks. However, some potential downsides have emerged over time, such as customer service issues. The Better Business Bureau rates Webull poorly for responsiveness, with many customer complaints about slow or unresponsive support. In summary, Webull offers a commission-free trading environment with clear but limited features, making it an accessible choice for beginners or those trading small quantities of stocks or options. Its hidden costs, like high wire transfer fees and interest on margin accounts, may deter users seeking advanced tools and comprehensive customer support. As a result, Webull is ideal for straightforward trading needs, but less suited for complex or large-scale trading strategies.